Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for a 30-second card. You never know how long it's going to take. I think my best time was like 4 minutes and a half or something like that, and my worst time was, well, we're not going to talk about that. Today, I'm going to make a card for my dad because his birthday is coming up, and I need a card for him, and we are doing videos all day long today, and so I just kind of grabbed a whole bunch of stuff that's coming out, and I thought I would use those. I did grab my own colors because I wanted to do these colors for my dad. I grabbed licorice, cranberry, ocean, and powdered sugar. So those are my colors I know I'm going to use. Then I figure I might probably use a Slimline die because I really wanted to use our new triple circle. I haven't gotten to play with this one very much. And you never know what else is going to happen. So it is what it is, right, my friends? Do you have your timer ready? Yes, he does. He's giving me the thumbs up. Okay, let me think for half a second. On your marks, oh, let me clean this off a little because it's dirty. Okay, on your marks, oh, let me flip this. On your marks, get set, start the time. Ah! Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to grab the black because licorice is so nice to have as a background and as the part of the base for my card. So I'm going to run that through, and that's going to be my background for my card. And then that's my background. And I did the rounded corners just because I figured I'm doing the circles, so I should do that. And then I want to do this in, let's add this, and I want to do this in blue. So let's grab this in ocean. Am I thinking correctly? I think I am. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab this die that comes with the one, and I'm going to grab this one that comes with the other. I am going to tape it down a little because I really want this to be straight, and I don't want it to move very much. So I'm going to lay that down right there and get my head in the way, and I'm going to add that right there. Grab that right there because I don't want it to move. Now I'm going to run that through as fast as I can. Dun, 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 dun. Run that through. So this is going to give me the rounded layer. Oh, I'm crooked. This is going to give me the rounded layer, and also it's going to give me the circles cut out. So I'm kind of getting 2 for the price of 1 on this rolling through. So I'm going to run that through. Now, if you're doing your spellbinders and it just happened what that did, where it was hard to go through, that means you're crooked. So just move your platform a little, just like I did, and it'll go right through. So it just means you're going in a little crooked. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to pop this out, dun, 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 and I have this cool little thing, right? Now I really do want to ink that a little, so I'm going to grab, this looks like sea glass. Where is my ocean? Ah, where is my mini ocean? That's pool. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll use sea glass. So we're gonna grab this. We need to find some scratch paper. We're gonna find this, and we need to add some edging to this. Edging. That sounds funny. So I'm actually using sea glass on ocean because I can't find my ocean. So it's better than nothing. And I'm actually going to go on the inside of these circles too because I might as well, right? So, oh, and those guys are cute. I'll probably end up using some of those guys. I know my dad's older and he's more mature than the cute little fingerprints, but in all honesty, he loves my dog so much, I need to do the dog one for him. And so I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to do the inside of the circles, just like that. Do this one. Just like that. Now you can see why I really need scratch paper below me, huh? And then I'm going to add some right here. Okay, now we are good to go. So we're going to put our lid on that. And now what I want to do is I need some white circles. So this has a lot of circles to layer. So I'm just going to die cut some white circles really quick. Hopefully I stamped these okay because I don't want to cut out more than I need. And I'm going to run that through. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so now I have 3 circles die cut. I hope this works. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I wish I had an assistant right now to help me. That would be funny. Okay, so now I have these little guys. I don't need that. I'm moving this off to the side. I've got to get these out of the way. And now I'm going to stamp, but I feel like I need to die cut really quick another thing because I want to do the happy birthday. And I really want to do it in the silver and, oh, blue. No, that blue doesn't match. Let's do, oh, decisions. You know, I really want to do shadow. Oh, hang on. Maybe we'll introduce the red. Okay, so what we're going to do This already has adhesive on the back. I already added it because it's in my scrap pile, so that helps me. That saves me 5 seconds. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to grab the red. So we're going to add a little bit of red in here because we don't have any red anywhere else. And let's see if I can fit that all on here. Move that over. I always like to try to do less runs through the machine. So let's do that, and we got it. And we're going to run that through. So now I think I'm done with die cutting once I run this through. So then I can focus on stamping and putting my card together. Because once you get all your die cutting done, then you can put everything together. So there I have that. Luckily that has the adhesive on the back. I'm just going to peel this off real quick. This glitter paper is so gorgeous, you guys. I love it. And it's just so pretty. Now with this happy Thanksgiving, trendy happy birthday, make sure you go a little slow because I'm telling you guys, it is very intricate and you don't want to try to do it. You don't want to cut it without the adhesive on the back because let me tell you that you're just going to not be happy. You're not going to be able to add the adhesive very well. So I'm going to pick that out. I'm going to lay this down really quick right now. Go a little slow with this just to make sure it lines up perfect. It's worth the extra ½ second that you need. Oh, I'll let that age there. My dad's going to love this, by the way. I'll have to take a picture giving this to him so you guys can see it. Okay, I have one little icky in there, but we're gonna have to leave it there because we're too busy. Okay, so now we have that, and then what we're gonna do is we have our little stamping, guys. Oh, you know what? I want to add this to my card base. So I'm gonna fold my card base, and I'm gonna get my little bone folder and just really fold that down. Okay, now I'm going to add this, and I'm actually going, okay, I want to add some adhesive foam. I've been playing with adhesive foam a lot today, and I might as well add some more. So I'm going to add some adhesive foam to this. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. So you always use your scraps because that's the best part about the adhesive foam is you get to use your scraps. And this might need to be cut a little bit more. Okay, so let's add our scraps to the, I cut that too big. Okay, there we go. So this is gonna be a fantastic card. It's gonna, I already know I'm past 30 seconds, but it's gonna be so awesome. It's gonna be worth it. And my dad is gonna love it, and that's the most important thing out of everything, right? Okay, so we're gonna add this. And knowing my dad, he'll cry just because he loves when you give him stuff. Oh, I gotta trim that one down. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. Oh, darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Okay, there. Okay. Oh, hurry up. Okay, one more, two more. Okay, hang on. 1, 2. Okay, there we go. So this is the bag. No one's gonna see it. Doesn't matter what it looks like. And there, and then one more in this corner, and then we will be able to adhere this. Still haven't even stamped yet. Ah! Okay, so we're gonna adhere, take that off, take this one off, come on. Oh, sometimes I feel like I need 4 hands. It's like when I'm babysitting the twins, it's like I wish I had 4 hands and not 2. There, and, oh my word, there, and Kenny's probably falling asleep at the wheel over there because I'm not even ready yet. Okay, so I'm gonna add this. Now I can't see it on the black, so I'm gonna move it over here. And I'm going to line this up right there. So it's popped up just a little tiny bit, which is kind of fun. I didn't put any there, which is kind of a bummer. So I'm going to add some right there to this one because I want to make sure that pops up and stays. So I'm going to add some here. So add some in the center there. Otherwise it won't look as good. And turn it there. There we go. Hide it. And we're going to have to do another one there just because you want to make sure that really pops up and it's worth the extra ½ second. And there and there. Oh my gosh, I already know I'm going to be way over time because I have so much I want to do. Okay, so we're going to turn that way, that way, that way, that way. There we go. Okay, so now, oh, that looks funny. Oh gosh. It's for my dad. I have to make it look nice. Okay, hang on. Okay, we're going to leave it without. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we got to stamp these little guys, and I hope it stamps good because we're going to be in trouble if it doesn't. We're going to grab the dog. We're going to do the dog each time because my dad loves my dog, and my dog means more to my dad than probably some of the people in his life, and I know some of us feel the same way about our dogs. I'm going to grab some scratch paper, and I'm going to grab some licorice. And I think I used this one before, but it doesn't look like I did. So, oh, look at that, how gorgeous that is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to stamp this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, halfway done. Now, clean your hands because you don't want to get any ink anywhere else. And let's grab Ocean and let's grab Strawberry. So we're going to introduce some red in here, which is fantastic because we need some. I'm going to do 2 red and 1 blue. So I'm going to grab this finger. How clean is it? I don't know. Let's see. I think you should really instead use your mini inks for this, but I'm not going to go try to find mine. So there's 1. I'm going to do 2 red. There's 2. Awesome. And just because I know this one's going to be way too dirty, I'm going to use my other one. Luckily, I have 2 the same size. I'm going to use my blue over here. Ah, there we go. Yay! Yay! Whew. Okay, close this up. Close this up. Now I have ink all over my hands. Wipe it on your pants because that's all that matters. And now I need to add this to my card. So we're going to do red over there. We're going to grab some adhesive. I have ink all over my fingers. That tells you I'm having a good day. So now I'm going to add this. I'm going to grab this. See, now I added that red because remember my happy birthday has some red and we needed it in our card. Now I'm actually not going to use ribbon, my friends. Can you believe it? Because this is a guide card. This is for my dad. So we're not going to use ribbon. Look how cute that is. And then we are going to use this and we're going to add this. Now this is going to cover one of my doggies. But it's going to be worth it, right? And, whoops. And so I'm going to add this right there. The nice thing about, oh, here, I'm going to move it over so you can, oh, look, you can see he's like peeking. There we go. There we go. I like that. He's like peeking over. I love that. Now, normally I would sign the back, but because I can't, I'm going to have to find, oh, look at this. Look at this, you guys. I'm going to use this. This is genius. And I'm going to use the heart one because I love my daddy. And I'm going to use red. Kenny, we're almost ready. You better get ready. You better get ready. We better get ready. And I'm going to stamp that. You better get ready. And I'm going to add adhesive to this. Stop. Hands off. Woo. Oh. Oh. I did a lot though. So you guys, I know it's like a long number and I kind of don't want to look at it, but I did a lot on this video. So for example, 1, I got my on the back. And it's kind of cool that I was able to use that circle, right? Because I still have 2 more, but it was nice that I was able to use that and still be able to sign my card. Now I got my little guys on there, my little doggies. That one's like kind of peeking over. It's kind of cute. Happy birthday. This is a little bit more plain. Technically, if I was giving this to a woman, I would probably add some ribbon, but we're not going to because it's for my dad and he doesn't need that. He's going to love this because he loves my dog. Isn't that awesome? In fact, you know what? I think for the inside, I could write a message and then I could probably just add that right there and boom, done. In fact, I should probably do 3 and then I could, yeah. Okay, we'll do the inside next time. Okay, Kenny, I don't know if I want to know. So is it that bad? Yeah, it's that bad. Shut up. Don't tell me. My daughter always used to say that. When she was little, Kirsten would say, we'd ask her a question. She'd say, don't tell me, don't tell me. Okay, so the answer to the question is, how long did that take? 10 hours. No, I'm kidding. 10 minutes, 56 seconds. But you know what? My dad was worth every second of that. Look how cute that is. I think it's adorable. I think he'll love it, and he'll love it just because I made it. So, my friends, thank you so much for joining me for a 30-second card in. We won't even talk about the number, but it was worth it. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. day. And yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl.